Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. What if I told you a single square root could unlock the 17th power of a number in just few minutes? Sound impossible. In this video, we will crack this question using a secret math Olympiad trick. Given is x plus 1 over x is equal to the square root 3. Find the value of x raised to power 17 plus 1 over x raised to power 17. To solve this, we will recall the identity, that is x raised to power n plus 1 over x raised to power n is equal to the x plus 1 over x into x raised to power n minus 1 plus 1 over x raised to power n minus 1 minus x raised to power n minus 2 plus 1 over x raised to power n minus 2. And we can make a relation of this is x raised to power n plus 1 over x raised to power n is equal to the Tn, and x plus 1 over x is as it is, and x raised to power n minus 1 plus 1 over x raised to power n minus 1 is equal to the t n minus 1 minus t n minus 2. This is the important formula we will use to solve this question. So for n is equal to 1, you will calculate t1, that is equal to the x plus 1 over x, and x plus 1 over x is equal to the square root 3. So now we will use x plus 1 over x whole square, that is equal to the x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. So we can write x plus 1 over x value, that is square root 3. So square root 3 whole square, and x square plus 1 over x square is equal to the t2 plus 2, which implies that t2 is equal to the, this square is cancelled out by this square root, 3 and plus 2 will be minus 3 minus 2, which implies that t2 is equal to the 1. Now we will calculate different values. First of all, for n is equal to 1, we get t1, that is equal to the square root 3. Now for n is equal to 2, we will get the value of t2, that was equal to the 1. So in this way we will calculate till x is equal to 17. So for n is equal to 3, now again substitute the values in this formula to find the value of t3, that is equal to the square root 3, and t3 minus 1 is t2, that's value is 1, minus 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is equal to the square root 3 minus square root 3 is equal to 0. Then for n is equal to 4, t4 is equal to the, again substitute value square root 3, then t3 value 4 minus 1 is 0, minus t2 value, that is 1. So this will be equal to the minus 1. Now for n is equal to 5, we will get the value of T5, that is equal to the square root 3, 5 minus 1, 4, minus 1, and minus 5 minus 2 is 3, 0. So we get value of T5, that is equal to the minus square root 3. Now the value of T6 will be the square root 3, and the 6 minus 5, that is minus square root 3, minus previous value T4, that is minus 1. So this will be equal to the square root 3 into square root 3 square, that is 3. So minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 2. So this value is minus 2. Then T7 will be equal to square root 3 into 7 minus 1, 6, that is minus 2, and minus into T5 value, that is minus square root 3. So this will be equal to minus 2 square root 3, and plus square root 3 is minus square root 3. Then T8 is square root 3 into T7, that is minus square root 3, and minus into the previous one, that is minus 2. So square root 3 into minus square root 3 is 3, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And minus 1. Now in this way we will calculate the value of T9, square root 3 into minus 1, minus into previous value. So this will be equal to the minus square root 3 plus square root 3 is 0. So value of T9 is 0, and the value of T1 will be the 0 and minus will plus. So T11 is square root 3 into the previous one, that is 1, minus 0 square root 3. And T12 will be square root 3 into square root 3 minus the previous one, that is 1. So this is equal to the 2. And square root 3 into 2 minus square root 3, that is square root 3. Then we will calculate the value of the, so square root 3 into square root 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1. Then square root 3 into 1 minus square root 3, this is 0. So square root 3 into 0, then minus 1, that is minus 1. So square root 3 into minus 1 minus 0 is equal to the minus square root 3. So in this way we will calculate the value of T17, that is minus square root 3. So we will write the final answer. So the final answer of x raised to power 17 plus 1 over x raised to power 17 is equal to the minus square root 3. So this will be the final answer. Smash the like button if you learned something new, and hit subscribe if you want more Olympiad level brain booster. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.